Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm excited to be taking you through a continuation of our Good Luck series, where today we're talking about the Edge Lighten Plus. Now, this is actually one that gives you lots of notification features like what you're about to see on the screen. This allows you to form notifications like this on your phone that you've probably seen on other phones that you may have liked and still haven't found out how to do it on yours. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. So let's go. First and foremost, to get the Good Luck application, you want to check the top right corner here. I have put a guide on how to download it using different modes. All right, so let's go. First and foremost, you're going to go into the Good Luck application. Like we all know, the Good Luck application has got several models, and one of it is the Edge Lighten Plus. And there we have it. Now, the Edge Lighten Plus basically is for creating some kind of edge lightning notification based upgrades and all. So let's look at what we can do with this one. First and foremost, if this one is turned on, these are some of the things you can do. You can come here into set custom style, which is the custom style of notification. So you're going to tap on this, and here you have several styles. You can have this where you use an image of yours or a sticker that you have created. One here, I've created one. You can see you can hit on plus and select the one you want, or go into gallery and pick an image from there, or go into stickers and pick an image from stickers that you have produced yourself, or ones that are already in stickers. All right, that one aside, you could come back and then you have several here. Now, the good thing about using any of these is whatever they stand for is actually how they behave. So here we have the snowflakes. If you tap on it, just like snowflakes will be falling down, that's how you see it. You see more of the same snowflakes coming down. Petals, how they often would fly around, all right? Raindrops, how they're going to be falling, and then how alert signals pop up on the screen like that. You can see that. Clouds, how clouds will be moving on the screen, similar to that. Stars, how they twinkle, and then hearts, how they blossom like that. And then if you come here, you can also find popcorn, how it pops, which was similar to what we saw. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this effect using this edge lighting. So continuing, you could also select colors. The colors, you can change whatever color of the effect you want. For example, if I select here the raindrops, but I want the raindrops to be red, I can select this and change the raindrops now to be red. You can play around with these. If I selected the heart and I wanted the heart not to be this pink but wanted it to be yellow, I could have it like that. So that's where you do also dot alteration. Then if you come into advanced, this is where you deal with the speed, the sizes, and the amount of it on the screen, even the rotation. You can see here all the ones that we can select, different effects. So it's heart we've selected there, but if we want the heart to be falling like snowflakes, we can do that. If we want it to be popping like popcorn, so you see you take the whole thing to a next level. Then you continue here. If you want them to zoom in, they can be zooming in like that, which is similar to the warning effect. If you want no extra effect, you could just select that. But let's select for this one still the heart, and then now we can come to the side where we select, and the size you can select medium, small. You know what, let's select small here. Then we can go into the period, that is how long it stays short, to mean that it shouldn't stay too long on the screen. Then we can go to amount, that's the quantity of it on the screen. You can select few, and they're going to be few, to many, and that's going to be enormous a number. Then with few selected, we could select the rotation. If we want them to be rotating, we could select like medium, and then we have them rotating there. So you could do all these changes to it, but we can take it a step further. So with this example, we've selected a heart. We want it to be, let's select the popcorn and have it pop this way. Then we can come here and then rather select the popcorn, all right? So we have popcorn popping like that. Then you can come here to the next level where you can change the icon of, in this case, popcorns, change it to whatever application it is that you got a notification from. So here, toggling this on would mean that if WhatsApp is where the message is coming from or the notification is coming from, you're going to see the WhatsApp icon instead of the popcorn. Then here, if you want the pop-ups to only happen when your screen is turned off, then you toggle this on. But for me, then what's the essence of the whole thing? So we leave that left on. Then here we can double tap on the pop-up to open the application basically, and you want to toggle that on. Then all these really not necessary, right? So let me show you how it works now here. So let's look at what we've created right now, which you're going to see once the message comes through. So yeah, we formed that kind of popping thing, but with the icon of the application popping up. So you can take this to the next level if you decide to use a notification tone that matches what is going on. In this case, popping. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go online, and then in this example, you could just go type download popcorn popping notification sound. And then for me, I would advise you come to Pixabay, and then here you're able to see several, and then pick one, download. Then once you're done, then for me, I'd want to hear that popping sound when it's a WhatsApp message. So what I'm basically going to do is go into WhatsApp. So inside WhatsApp and notifications, then I'm going to come into message notification and then use the file that I downloaded from the website. So once it's changed to the popping sound, we're good. From there, anytime I receive a notification on WhatsApp, single message and not a group, I'm going to be hearing that popping sound. So let's look at it now. So there it is. And when I double tap on it, it's going to open and the notification is just going to stop, just like we had set it for double tap to stop the notification. So there you have it. This is a clear example of how to use the Edge Lighting Plus on your Good Look application. If this was helpful, let me know in the comment section. If there's another thing you want me to do, let me know also in the comment section. But until later, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any video that I post. See y'all later. Peace out.